Hello, my name is Tara Stevenson. I met Bob Chaparala when I needed to take the Gmat test to go to SMU's MBA program. He was a miracle for me. My testimonial is simple, but to the point. Bob is a master of breaking down complex quantitative problems in order to leverage these methodologies across all levels of the problems, which was my struggle. Each student learns and can solve different leveled problems ununiformly, and Bob teaches you how to get through those learning barriers. And he teaches you a method to solve the problems particular to your struggles, and then you become most efficient and intelligent in doing that. And it's the best instruction I've ever received. And I'm not a good test taker, clearly, but Bob broke the code for me, and I was able to get through it efficiently and effectively. And the quantitative problems that I struggled with, I had a methodology to get through, and therefore could solve more problems quicker. And that's the secret to getting a great score on the GMAT. So I highly recommend him, and he was a miracle for me because no public program was ever going to do that. And I was working full time, so I needed someone to work with my schedule, and he did all that. Bob was the best, and I'm eternally grateful. Thank you.